The AGCO vision.
People come to visit us on this project. They may want to see how to irrigate. They may want to see how to protect their crops. They may want to learn how to plant. They may want to learn how to use machinery responsibly. And what we're trying to achieve here with the aid and the assistance of our partners is to try and have a holistic approach to agriculture and the production of agriculture. And I think our greatest achievement has been in helping people to take the technology and to take what we've been able to bring here and apply it and watch people do it successfully.
So the AGCO Future Farm in Zambia, we have a world first. Not only can students come here and learn in theory in the classroom, but they can also then go into the field and see the ideas that they've been taught being put into practice on a commercial scale. One of the great appeals of high technology now in farming is it's making it a lot more interesting for young people to come into. They can come in at a higher skill level. We can pick people at a higher skill level than would traditionally be the norm in agriculture, and especially in Africa, I think empowering people who actually are used to using touch screen technologies, which we find with a lot of our equipment, is going to bring people into farming as opposed to push them away from it.
At Musika, we believe that the private sector are the engine of technology, engine of innovation and development in the rural markets. Building up a solid commercial relationships between private sector firms, and we're talking about players on the market who are able to supply quality, reputable, credible products onto the market. We're talking about inputs here, and that quality partnership is very, very important, not only for today, but obviously it's a sustainable one.
It really is a team effort. We use a lot of expertise and knowledge from outside AGCO, primarily from our partners. So we have people that look at the seed side, the chemical side, the fertilizer side, and we all contribute to the process of growing crops and trying to train people at the same time.
If one looks at farming and agriculture, one of the most difficult things for your multinational companies is to gain access to farmers. And when we found out about this Future Farm project, we saw it as an ideal opportunity to be able to aggregate farmers from all over Zambia to a centralized point where we can demonstrate our products and at the same time upskill people in terms of mechanical knowledge and agrochemical knowledge.